Kamiti ya NCDF kuuma gicigo mbunge kia Ugunja nirekereirie makiria ma ciringi mirioni 13 cia bursary iria ciguteithiriria arutwo a university hamwe na college gutwarithia na mbere mathomo mao. Akiaria hindi ya kuheana mbeca icio wabici-ini ya NCDF tauni-ini ya Ugunja, mutongoria wa kamiti iyo Bernard Omolo niugite ati muigana ucio ni guteithiriria makiria ma andu 1,000 aria mayandikithitie na mubango ucio.
Launching the second disbursement of Ugunja constituency bursaries for colleges and universities for the financial year 2023-2024. Our first bursary disbursement for secondary schools and special schools was released on 23rd February 2024, and the total amount disbursed at that time was about 28 million. For our colleges and universities, we are today disbursing to a total number of applicants 1,742 students.
Milton Philip uria ni murugamiriri wa bursary ya NCDF mwena ucio ni onanirie ati andu aria mari na mawathe othe ni magunikite na kigina kiu na kuria ongereire na kuga ihinda riri ni magunikite na kigina kinene ukiringithania na mwaka muhetuku.
You've heard it is 83%, and this is a record year. It has not been so. This is because of the increment in the allocation that we received this year. We want to say all the committee members who did the mobilization with the good students who applied for the bursaries, and therefore we have also responded the way the chairman has said it. There are special needs students who received, all of them, that is what we mean by 100%, all of them received the bursary.
Ona gukiria uguo murugamiriri wa gicigo kia Ugunja Agolo ni agathiririe kamiti ya NCDF ni undu wa wira mwega uria mararuta hamwe na mwihoko hari guteithiriria aikari maundu-ini ma githomo na njira nene.
As we are talking, we are happy that Ugunja sub-county is sending teams to the drama festivals that are the nationals. We are having a team from Nyasanda, we'll have a team from Rangala, we have a team from Daho with comedy, we have a team from Lolwe with a choral verse, and as a constituency we are happy with all these achievements. It means that in matters of education we are on the right track.
Hadini ha Muthigi TV, Getwa Kingori, Wagatudu.
Now